What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh, and in this video today I'm going to be covering a company by the name of King of Kingsbeard. I'm going to be covering their oil and their wash. I did this cool little Instagram reel not that long ago on this company using their oil and wash. It was a ton of fun to film and edit that reel, so if you guys are into that kind of stuff or other beard related content, go ahead and follow my Instagram. It's just Embrace the Beard Life, just like the channel name is here on YouTube. Alright, enough rambling about social media stuff. Let's go ahead and get right into the review. Alright, so to start things off, this is what the bottle looks like. Pretty nice. It's got that sleek black look. I really do kind of like the look of this. This is their cherry tobacco scent, and right off the rip you get like quite a bit of cherry with a little bit of tobacco. So it's a really nice scent if you actually like a cherry tobacco scent. So the carrier oil blend in this is grapeseed, coconut, argan, jojoba. You got your vitamin E in there, and they've got rosemary leaf extract. I personally enjoy thicker beard oils than this. This is like on the light to medium side, and it works well. Nothing wrong with it. But for me, I personally prefer a thicker beard oil typically. This blend isn't bad by any means, but it's not my favorite. And the scent of this lasted quite a while. This was like another 4 to 5 hour scent, so it smelled pretty good for quite a while. And I really like the fact that it smells heavy on the cherry and just has a light tobacco scent to it. Sometimes cherry tobacco scents are a little off for me, and sometimes they're just too much tobacco and cherry doesn't come out enough or something. This is kind of a nice different scent with that cherry being a little heavier than the tobacco. Alright, so this right here is their wash. Now, this thing just looks cool. First of all, it just like the oil, I like the way it looks. It looks clean. I love this foam pump top. So let me show you. See that? Foam beard wash. I'm never prepared for what the heck I'm supposed to do with this. I really wish other companies would do foaming beard washes. I think this is awesome. If there are other companies out there that do foaming beard washes, let me know down in the comments. But this is the first one I've ever used, and I really like this. So there is one thing on here that jumps out at me in the ingredient list, and that is dead sea salt. So I don't know if that's in other beard washes. I haven't paid that close of attention, but don't worry guys, this is not dry out your beard because of dead sea salt, probably because it rinses out in the shower. I have no idea, but it works really well. And this again is their cherry tobacco foaming beard wash, and it smells really good. Yeah, and it just smells really good. So anyways guys, go check out King of Kingsbeard. I'll link their Instagram below and the website down below if you guys want to check it out. I think they're doing some sales on some of the bundles and stuff. But out of the two products, if you're going to pick something up, I'm going to go with the beard wash. The beard wash is a ton of fun to use, and it smells awesome, and I like it. So overall, pretty cool. Okay, well that's going to end the video. Just one oil and wash today. So if you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button. Consider subscribing if you made it to this point in the video. And I don't know, I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys next time. And as always, embrace your beard and embrace the beard life. See ya.